Hello, you guys. Here, welcome to my back to my cooking channel. Guys. Sometimes you know for dinner, sometimes I just eat Roman soup. You guys, you know what I'm saying. So, especially during the weekdays. So, I had Roman soup in a minute, but here's what I did. Just cook you. I always like the beef noodle. And here's and this is gonna be a short video. So you guys get a package of ramen soup, any any one that you like. It's your choice. But anywho, if you see this white stuff, this is pepper jack cheese. So what I did when I cooked my noodles, I add some. I opened a can of spam. Yes, people eat spam with noodle, and I diced it up. So that's spam. Okay. So after my noodle is get ready, you guys know how to cook noodles. And then what I do is I dice up me some spam, green onion. See that green onion? And now on this side, you see kind of yellow light. I put a slice of American cheese when it's melted, and this side is the pepper jack cheese. Yes, indeed. But this is simple, and this is the only thing I want for dinner, you guys. You know what I'm saying? Especially, sometimes I don't have, like to eat a big meal during the weekdays. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But I just want to come back to show you guys something real, real easy. And I know a lot of American people, like noodles, ramen noodles and stuff. So check this out. I got me some chips on the side. I'm gonna show you guys something. And then for dessert, haha, yes, I'm gonna have me a cheesecake. Well, I really like this. They had these. Well, one too much on sale. I don't know why they say $3.99 with card, but the regular price is $3.99. Make it make sense. You know what I'm saying? But it's some kind of swirl cheesecake. You know. Let's make it make sense, you guys. Okay. And what I'm drinking on, sorry about that, you guys. I'm just all over the place. And this is the name of the chips. That's how it look outside. And what I'm gonna do, you guys, I put a in my thumbnail. I will show you guys what kind of noodles these is. And again, that's that American cheese is already made. But yeah, so I put it in my thumbnail, the name of the noodles that I eat. And this is what I'm drinking on, you guys. See? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So I just want to come back to show you guys a little simple meal that you can, if you don't feel like cooking, you want something easy and quick, this is the way to go. So now what I do is, you guys, this be my first time doing this. Okay. I don't think I've never said that, but what I do is some of that juice. Let me see how this tastes. Put some on top of here, like that. Look, hold up for a minute, you guys. Okay. I told you guys subscribe to my cooking and stuff. I will come up with a lot of inspired dish, I guarantee. You know? But let's check this out. See? Chip. Okay, you guys get that first bite. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Now I'm gonna take my bite. Oh my goodness, you guys. That is so delicious, I guarantee. Because it got that little savory, salt, and stuff mixing together. Oh my goodness, you guys need to try this. And like I said, you guys need to subscribe, like, and share my video with your friends and family, because you would never know what I got cooking on my cooking channel, because I come up with some good idea on a simple meal. I guarantee you guys get that bite since I didn't offer. Well, yes, I did with the chip. I did, but yeah, I'm telling you guys would not be disappointed. So tell all your friends and family about my channel, and subscribe, like, comment below if you have any question. Thumb this video up. And again, make sure you keep your notification bell on if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day. Be safe. One more bite. There you go. Look how creamy that look. Oh my goodness. That's the American cheese. Oh my God. It looks so creamy. Yeah, I wasn't going to film this, you guys. I said, nah, I'm not going to film. Then I saw it. I said, you know what? Let me film this. Because it may inspire some people. Especially if you like a beginner cook and you just want something simple and easy to cook. Even people who's a chef, who's a great cook like me, want some simple, dish, to cook. Okay, so let me get out of here, you guys. And I will see you guys in the next upload video. Hope this inspire you guys. Alrighty, hope you guys try it. And let me know in the comment if you guys make this. Alright? Alright. I'll see you guys in the next upload video. Bye-bye.